Today I'm super excited to show you how I made a macOS application using Xcode and Trey. If you ever want to make your own app but thought it's too hard, this video is for you. It is actually a lot easier than you might think. I'm going to walk you through everything, one step at a time. First, I will show you how I started my project in Xcode. Then I will show you how I use Trey and AI software that write code for you. We will be building together a terminal application, a great project to start with. And the best part, it's really simple. So if you're ready to learn an easy and fun way to make macOS apps, let's jump in. Okay, so let's see how we can build macOS application in very easy way. For that, we'll use Xcode and Trey. Xcode is software from Apple that help us to build application, but I want to have more AI capabilities, so I will use Trey. That is an application like Cursor or Windsurf that help us to build code with AI. So here I am in Xcode, and this is Trey. I will start with Xcode because we need to build all the files and then make the changes in Trey. So here we are in Xcode. I will click on Create New Project. Here I will select macOS and Application. Click on Next. Here I will call the application Timer. Below I need to select my team. My team is myself, but if not, you will have a button here you can click and add the team. And then I will add here my name of the organization. In my case, Edoche. That's all. And here I need to select a folder where all the files will be. I have a folder Apple Applications. I click on Create. Now we have the folder and it starts to create the application. Okay, as you can see, now it's created all the files here. We have some application. It's called Hello World. As always, Hello World. And now what I will do, I will go to Trey and open the folder with all the files in Trey and start to execute from there the application. Then we will see the changes here on Xcode. Here I'm in Trey. I click on Open Folder and select the folder of the timer. As you can see here, I select the timer, click on Open, and then Trey will add all the files of the application inside the software. We have two types of building the application, one from the chat, another one for the builder. The chat is like ChatGPT. You type what you want, it gives you the result, and you will add it a little bit manually to the code. The builder works like more AI developer. You tell it what you want, it's make all the changes, and you only accept at the end. I will select the builder because I am not knowing how to code and I trust the AI that will do the work for me. I will add all the folder and the software will select where is the code they need to modify. I click here on the hashtag, then select folder. Or we have 4 folders, as you can see here: timer, timer export project, timer test, and timer UI test. I will add them now. I added all the folder here. You can see here that it's work with Claude 3.5 Sonnet. That is very powerful AI model to create code. Now the project that we will do, it's a simple timer for the kitchen. Here is our scope. I ask it to make a minimalist timer app designed for people who work in the kitchen. The user can set a time, set start, pause it, reset the timer, and it's allowed the users to customize the time. So depending on what they cook, they can set the time. And I said at the end that it must use the Apple Human Guidelines components. And here I didn't mention that I want it to include only hours and minutes. I copy out the prompt and let's move to Trey. Here in Trey, I will paste on the text box the prompt, okay, and execute. And let's see how it's built the app for us. This application will be more simple, but if you want that I will build something more complex, just let me know in the comments what application you want I will build. So also you can participate in the video and give your ideas for application to build with AI. It's finished to create all the code, as you can see here. I will click on Accept All and let's see the result. As you can see here, we have some issues. So I will click here and Diagnostic and take all the information why it's happened. Then move to Trey, paste it and ask it to fix it. Okay, as you can see, I write here, it is not work, please fix it. I paste now the diagnostic, all the information, it's a very long text. And then let's see if it's able to fix the bug. I will submit it now. Okay, it's finished. I click on Accept All and let's see the result now on Xcode. Okay, this is the application it's created for us. So let's see, let's put it like 1 minute and run it. Okay, works. I can pause, I can restart. So it's work, but I don't like the visual design. I will ask it to improve the visual design. Back to Trey, paste your prompt. Perfect. Can you make the design more minimal with Apple aesthetics? Let's see what it will give us. By the way, I can upload an image and be more specific, but for this demonstration, let's do it in the simplest way, just to show you can build applications, basics ones. I will not say that the most complex one without a developer. It's finished the work. Let's accept all the changes. And let's see in Xcode how it looks. Okay, now in Xcode, you can see that it's improved the visual design. I will not say that the most beautiful design, but it's improved the design what we have before. Let's select 1 minute, and then, oh, you can see there is a little bit animation. So this is very nice. If I click on pause and restart, the animation add a little bit elegance to the application. I'm planning in the future to make more videos and go with more details about the visual design, not how it's work. But for now, I think it shows the option to create application with artificial intelligence. Thanks so much for watching. If you're looking for a product designer to level up your business, or you are curious about bringing AI into your workflow, my contact info down in the description. Feel free to reach out anytime. And if you got value from this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. I love to hear your thought or any questions you have got. See you in the next one. Take care.